You guys, my girl is here. We outside. Hey, 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 hey. You guys, Tasha is here.
I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Yeah. Hi Fairs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's only me. It look like I have on lipstick, which I don't. I only have on lip gloss, clear lip gloss. I actually like it. No wonder why I love natural. Anyway, enough of me admiring myself in the camera. You guys, I have been so busy. It's been a very long day. It's almost 3 p.m. and let me tell you all that is going on. So I woke up this morning, did my run on the road and ran straight to the supermarket and did some supermarket shopping, because when I think about the weekend, I don't think we'll have any time to shop before Monday, and we need a little stock also because all our guests that was here left this morning, which was Babe, set of friends, also my friend, but you guys understand what I mean, and they left and another is arriving. So this time it's my friend that is coming. So you guys, let me tell you a little bit about this story. So this girl and I met on Instagram a few months now. She found me on Instagram and she sent me a message, and we were so excited to chit chat, and we had so many conversations. Her family is Jamaican and St. Martin. Her family is from Jamaica and St. Martin, but she was born and grew up in St. Martin, on the French side of St. Martin, so she speaks fluent French. She lives here in France. A lot of her family is in Jamaica. A lot of them live in Clarendon. She even have an auntie that live here, a Jamaican auntie that live here in France, in Paris, that is from Clarendon also. I met her also on the phone. So Natasha is my friend that is coming here today. So Natasha love, when I say she love her Jamaican roots, you can't tell that Natasha is not Jamaican, but she speak with a very strong St. Martin accent. It is the cutest thing ever. So Natasha will be here with me to spend a few days, not a few days, like just 2 days, because she's in the army. She have to go back to work on Monday. So she have to leave by Sunday evening. So she's coming here today, which is Friday, and she'll be gone Sunday in the day. So Natasha is coming. Actually, she wanted to come and see me, and she was gonna book an Airbnb, and I'm like, no girl, come and stay at my house. And she's like, all right, I'll come and stay at your house, because she just wants to come and see me before she go off on vacation, because she'll be traveling, she'll be flying. So she wanted to come and she wanted to stay in that Airbnb. I'm like, no, come and stay at my house. So she's coming today, and yeah, I'm gonna meet Natasha in person for the first time, but we FaceTime, we chat a lot on the phone and stuff like that. So she's such a cool girl. We click like nothing on the very first time that we have conversation. So she live like about 2.5 hours away from me. The city that I always go to visit Babe, family Avignon, she live close to that city. Funny enough, I was supposed to see her in December, but I couldn't get to see her because she had to go off on a training when I was in the area, so I couldn't get to see her. So now I'm finally gonna get to meet her. So yeah, you guys will be meeting Natasha, so be ready for the Jamaican Caribbean girls take over. So Sarah is taking a nap right now. Baby's at work. Baby's out of the city for today, and Tyler is at school. So Natasha should be here in about 30 to 45 minutes, probably probably before I pick up Tyler from school or just when I'm picking up Tyler, but somewhere around there. But anyway, I have been super busy from morning, just getting the house back fresh from the guest that was here, so she can come in. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. A lot been going on around here. So I went to supermarket this morning. I packed out the supermarket because listen, there's no supermarket haul with me alone, and baby's not here and Tyler is not here. I didn't want to lift the things and you know all that because I have guests coming, so I just had to pack out everything. So to say this, to say that, you guys gonna give it a thumbs up, you guys gonna give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if you are new right now, and let's go meet some new people. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. I don't know what else we're gonna do for today, but we will be doing something or going somewhere, so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss the rest of today's vlog, and don't skip through. All right, Caribbean take over, the Jamaica take over. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys later. You guys, my girl is here, but I can't talk where he's singing because they'll flag me on YouTube, so I have to move from his music. You guys, my girl is here. We outside. Hey, 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 hey. You guys, Tasha is here.
I'm here, guys. I'm here.
Yeah. And I'm in Nice. I'm in town taking her around. How you loving
I love
this
it
bar?
here. I love it here.
She already want to move all the time. So I'm gonna take her up to the waterfall, so that's where I'm trying to head. Hopefully, okay, that's better. Hopefully, I'm actually trying to watch Tyler. Hopefully we'll get there and the elevator can take us up. If the elevator can't take us up, then we're just gonna have to walk up the stairs like yesterday on the chair. But let's see. Anyway, she's here and I'm so happy that she's here. And you guys gonna see a lot more of her face, yes, right?
That's right.
Right.
That's right.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading up to the chateau, so we'll see you guys in a bit. Look at Tyler. I'm not gonna even bother take out Sarah because Tyler, Tyler, come here. Stay with mama. Come, wait. Let Tata go first. With the camera, I can't see you at all. Yeah, but it's the sun. Okay, go right there. Okay, give me a phone. Come, Ty. Come sit here. I'm trying to catch a picture of Tata. The sun, the angle of the sun is not making the view very beautiful, but we have to do what we have to do. But now we have to climb these stairs because the elevator that normally works to take us up to the top is not working, so we're gonna have to carry the stroller and walk with Princess to go up the top. Ready? Princess is eating ice cream. Eating ice cream? You guys, we made it to the top.
Yeah!
Hey!
We made it!
Woohoo!
We made it! It's gorgeous out here!
We made it, honey child. Natasha says she's moving. She's
I'm
convinced.
moving. That's it, I'm moving.
You heard it here first.
I'm moving. Okay?
Okay. Yes, Ty.
Be careful.
Yes. Just stay right where you are. And Sarah, she's always running. Sarah, come! With her pretty self. Hey. Ready to go back?
I wanted to go boomerang and I forget.
Where?
By the water, but I know.
We can't go back when we pass it.
Which way we passing?
We can pass it and go back that way and go in town. You guys seeing this end of Nice for the first time. This is the side of the port, which looks absolutely beautiful. So we're at the port end of the viewpoint right now. And Tasha is taking it in. You taking it in? You guys, we stopped at the park at the chateau with the kids. Tyler, take your time. And of course, Miss Sarah is behind Tyler. PP clock clock. PP clock clock. Wherever Tyler goes, she never fails. Look at her.
Best life.
I know, right? And she reached up there, you know?
Yeah, she reached up.
By herself too.
Did it on her own.
And you don't walk past it because I didn't thought that she would have done it by herself. Watch her. Watch the batty. And she gonna run and follow him now, you know. Watch the joke. Watch the hand. You see the hand get excited? Hey, she run like a real sprinter, you know. Definitely my child. Watch her. Look at her. PP clock clock. I can't wait for them to reach the age of 10 and 5. Wait for her, Ty. Oh, Jesus of mercy, God. She's a wee.
She's flexible though.
I was wondering where the hell is Sarah food?
She's flexible.
Pizza.
Mama.
Oui. Yes. Yeah. Hi, okay, you guys. So we after we pick up dinner at Pizza Hut, we came home and we continued filming and went into the following day, and we had another eventful day where we went to Cannes all day, and it was such a good day. We did so much in Cannes, but unfortunately I lost every single footage of our day in Cannes except when we returned and had barbecue outside. So that's what you guys are about to see. So this is kind of 2-day mesh in one, just showing you guys bits and pieces of what we did, because I lost so much footage. My memory card in the camera got corrupted and it lost all the files between a certain time, and there's nothing I could do to recover those files. So I literally wanted to cry when that happened, but listen, we have to just carry on with what we have to do. Those memories will just be in our head, and unfortunately we won't get to share them with you guys. But yeah, this is just the following day that we were spending with Natasha. We went to Cannes and we went to the pool and we did barbecue. It was such a good day. But anyway, let's enjoy the ending of this vlog. You guys, we are having such an amazing eventful day. We went to Cannes this morning, we got back and we went to the pool, and now we're having barbecue to finish off the day perfectly, just right. So baby's on the barbecue as per usual, and the kids already started eating. We're all hungry, so we're going to dive right into lunch. No, into dinner. You guys haven't said hello to nobody all day. What's on? Say hello to the face, please.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's dinner time, and I'm hungry. And my head is searching all day.
Hungry man.
No, I'm not like you. You are.
You guys hear what he's
You're
just
a
saying?
dangerous woman when you're hungry.
Clear the course.
And
Melissa is hungry. Melissa is hungry. Clear the course. Melissa is hungry. Alert, alert. Melissa is hungry. Hear what he said? I'm a dangerous woman when I'm hungry. Hey, I can't be bothered.
I want the sausage.
Well, at least she eat off the sausage and then she eats in the fries.
And sauce on the salad.
You want sauce on the salad? It will come. I'll carry it.
it's the end of the day. So bad luck today. Everybody are run from me like if I did something wrong. So they all run away from me. They went to bed saying they're tired, but what did they do to be tired? I asked them. She tell me she tired. I tell her, what did you do? You cook? She say no. I say, you drive? She say no. You walk a lot? She say no. So how can she be tired? She went to the pool, relaxed herself. She have an easy life.
Oh no. No, 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 no.
Mel, you have an easy life. You need to behave yourself better. Anyway guys, I hope you had a wonderful day. I hope you having a wonderful weekend, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. So if it's the case, just give a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, catch up and keep up, and we see you guys tomorrow. Well, if they wake up, because look like they're very tired, so they might go to sleep all day. Let's see tomorrow.